So hi everyone, my name is Tony Rose. I'm here with Laura Brugioni. You may know us as DJ Squircle and Luna Vega. If you played the DAOGEN game, these are our AI avatar characters. One of the things we're doing is really trying to experiment with what does it mean to have AI on the internet now? And so if you go and look at DJ Squircle, I've created a LinkedIn account for him. I've created a GitHub account for him. And with DAOGEN and with AI and with Student Reader, we're not only exploring emerging technology, but we're trying to explore what does it mean for this new technology to be in the world, to be in our products. And so that's why you'll see DJ Squircle and Luna Vega running around the world, the internets these days. This specific proposal, Interactive Adventures with a DAOGEN Master, this is meant to go on top of the production infrastructure. And this is meant to go and take everything we learned building Falcon A Quest and Zoe Austin, who are fairly straightforward AI agents, and build one that's really much more complex. So the DAOGEN Master is intended to be able to manage a choose your own adventure narrative story over time. If you've played with ChatGPT, you know that it has trouble managing and maintaining the narrative over time. So, how do we get conversation memories? How do we get short, medium, long-term memories? How do the AI agents remember who they talk to about what? And so we think this is a really nice challenge with a fictional narrative to have it maintain a storyline over time, and also to be able to do blockchain operations. So when people come into the game, complete a quest, the DAOGEN Master will be able to make a payment to them in the in-game currency. The DAOGEN Master will be able to propose votes for the game narrative that the players would be able to use their Squircle coin and the Summon platform to vote on the narrative arc. And so this one really builds upon the previous proposal and takes everything we learned from building the production infrastructure, a couple more simple agents, and then levels that up and starts to get them doing blockchain operations and more high value operations on behalf of users and as part of the game.